right, so we just got back here from our trip to BC in our new Gladiator. It's got a couple issues we're going to address. The first one's going to be this exhaust. It got beat up on an obstacle on the Whipsaw Trail known as Fins, I think. So let's check that out. All right, so here's what we got. We got a pretty big rock here, smashed all this muffler up. Took a pretty good hit. And it pushed it all up against back here. Since it got binged there, it's hitting up against the frame right there. And up against my spare tire right here. So, instead of sticking a factory exhaust back on it, that's gonna get beat up again. We're gonna stick something else on it. We got the AFE Power Kit. So let's get that opened up. All right, so we got the AFE Power Kit here now. And I did not get it for power. I got it for more clearance, keep everything out of the way. If it gives us more power, I mean, it's going to be so minuscule, it's not worth spending the money on. So I just want to get it tucked up out of the way so this doesn't happen again. Only thing left to do now, bolt it on. All right, so we got this AFE exhaust all done here on my Gladiator from a couple of dings and dents. Check it out. So you get a nice stainless muffler. It's kind of weird. The AFE badge, you'd think that would be right here. It's on the top side and it has to go that way because it is an offset inlet center outlet. But you can't see it, but it's fancy. But it gives us a ton more clearance out of the way here, so we're not banging into stuff. We are going to tweak this tailpipe a little bit. It does fit nice around the spare, but it's got a dorky look and tip on it that I do not care too much for. And it's down a little bit low. I think they could have raised that up a little bit. So we're going to cut this off here, raise that pipe up, throw another tack on here so it's out of the way. But that's the AFE Gladiator. We like it. So next time we take this thing out, it's got less of a chance of getting smashed up. So that was it. Have a good one. Oh yeah, and I'm sure you want to hear it. I almost forgot. So let's see if we can't get some cool sound out of this thing. All right, Seth, do we got any cool sound? Wow, can you hear that? You probably thought it was a Hemi conversion. That's not a Hemi. Still the 3.6, but it does sound a little deeper, kind of cool. For real now, have a good one.